What's up, everyone on YouTube? It's InDriver KG. I'm at the headquarters, and today we're going to install the Whoosh 3-inch titanium mid-pipe. And hopefully that should give us the sound that we want, that we've been looking for. Also, we are going to take off the single exit because I missed the valves, but the single exit is really nice to keep. And you know, if we're going drag racing or something like that and we want to shed just a little extra weight, that is super light, so we'll keep that just for that. And we're going to put the valved exhaust that I have from the factory back on. Again, that is now going to be the Whoosh 4-inch downpipe to a Whoosh titanium mid-pipe to the stock exit, the rear axle on back. So I don't have the stock big muffler. It is wide into a resonator, and that's a Vibrant 1792 on the driver's side, straight pipe for end mode on the passenger. All right, so this is the titanium mid pipe. So it's 3 inches. So what we got to do, we got to put this back here. That's going to go straight onto here, and then because this would be where your resonator goes, so they got an area for you to put your resonator. So that's smart because you don't have to cut. So if you want a resonator, put the resonator on here like that, and then you attach this side to where your resonator would be, or use that straight pipe. So really nice job from Whoosh. And we're going to go back to the valves. So what we're going to do here, we got an extra exhaust, and we're going to cut that, swap it, and use the valved exhaust for what we have here. So let's see how they do. And again, for you guys that don't know, we're at New Jersey Muffler Shop, and what is this? This is Plainfield. I'll leave the link in the description. I've been coming here to get all my exhaust work done, so this is where you go. It's starting to get dirty there. Still looks good there. I guess everything kicked up, but this is how I was keeping the electrical compartment like safe from the heat. Some Gorilla Tape, aluminum foil, electrical tape under that, then more aluminum foil. So this is the Whoosh mid pipe with the Whoosh downpipe, 4-inch to 3.5 downpipe, and then 3-inch to 3-inch mid pipe. With the valved exhaust, instantly got louder. And then you go back into your modes. With the windows down. And if you see a cop, that's a big difference. I don't know if you can hear that difference, but sometimes like that's all you need. Like, I don't know if the camera picked that up, but oh my God, it sounds so good. Like earlier, I heard it and I'm like, ooh, that's me. You know, it's not as prominent as like a N55 or something like that, some along those lines, that like you could really hear that whistle with the ball bearing turbos and all that stuff. But for this being a journal bearing turbo, you know, again, this is a TTE 490 hybrid. This is not a huge turbo. This is just a small hybrid. I think one of the better hybrids. Again, the top hybrids out there are pure 550N, and you have this TTE. I've seen a lot of people run both of them and minimal problems. I have not seen not one of these TTEs fail, and I've barely heard of the pure 550s failing. So it can happen. Again, it's just what can happen, but we're not gonna jinx anybody out there. So if you have any issues, all that, you know, with turbo is in here, all that stuff. But again, if you need to know what the exhaust system is, it is the Whoosh 4-inch to 3.5-inch downpipe without the mid pipe. It's all together in one. Then we have the Whoosh titanium mid pipe, 3 inches all the way on back, and then we have the stock exit. So it's the dual exit that I had before in a vibrant resonator that's on the driver's side, and we still have the straight pipe going out the passenger side, which is for in mode. So we still have a quiet eco, and we have a loud in mode. That's what I wanted. And as you know, with the Cherry tuning, the cam is only in mode and sport mode, and you have all the others that are just normal mode, so you won't have to worry about being so loud. And again, I've been in front of a lot of cops, okay, and not one has pulled me over for sound. Again, this is not that loud. When you're in eco, when you're in mode, it is loud. And being in the car, you're not going to hear it as loud as the people outside of you. Trust me, it is much louder on the outside than it is the inside. This car has great insulation. So again, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you learned something. Again, you can pick everything up at Whoosh that I have just about in this car. The only thing you're not going to pick up from Whoosh is this turbo, but they do have the pure 550N. That's upgraded turbo, and they have just about everything you need. If you're doing a downpipe, I recommend you get the titanium bolts. That makes a huge difference if you're going to be messing around with that area. Just my advice. But again, maybe we need to talk about everything you need to buy on your end. An updated video on what you need to make 400 horsepower. It's going to cost not that much, but it'll cost you. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more.